Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the inner door trim. This gives access to the lock assembly. First, disconnect the battery so you don't trigger airbags or electronics, and unlock the door manually to ease movement. Use a trim pry and remove clips carefully. Once done, unscrew visible Torx and Phillips screws. Keep each fastener grouped so reassembly is simple. As you lift the panel, watch for electrical connectors, release them gently. This step exposes the moisture barrier and the inner door where the lock and actuator sit. Once the panel is clear, peel back the moisture barrier and locate the lock actuator and mechanical rods. You need to unclip the linkage rods, press the retaining clips and slide rods free to avoid bending them. Next, unplug the actuator electrical connector so you can remove the mounting bolts safely. Hold the lock assembly with one hand while you remove the Torx bolts, because it can shift. Take a photo of the assembly orientation now. That image will speed reinstallation and ensure the new unit sits exactly where it should. Install the new lock in the same orientation as your photo, thread the mounting bolts and tighten to hand firm plus a quarter turn. Avoid over-torque that can strip plastic. Reconnect the actuator plug and clip the rods into their exact slots. Once connected, reconnect the battery temporarily and test the lock with the key fob and manual handle. Make sure the actuator cycles smoothly and the latch engages. If good, reseal the moisture barrier. Refit trim panels and screws, then perform a final check on all doors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.